Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to back up Okta Verify. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Okta Verify itself doesn't provide built-in backup or export feature for your account's secret keys, mainly for security reasons. So what you can do is use backup codes if your organization provides them. Many organizations offers backup or recovery codes during FFA setup. Save these codes securely and you can use these codes to access your account if you lose your Okta Verify device. Next is to enroll multiple MFA methods. Add alternative MFA factors like SMS text messages, email verification, security questions, and hardware tokens like YubiKey. Then this gives you backup options to verify your identity. Next option is to enroll Okta Verify on multiple devices if allowed. Some organizations allow enrolling Okta Verify on more than one phone. This way you have a backup device ready. You can set up from your Okta account security settings. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.